Students, today topic is how to solve the problems using Euclid division lemma. Before this topic, we discussed Euclid division lemma. What is Euclid division lemma? Euclid division lemma means a and b are any positive integers. There exist unique pair of integers q and r satisfying the conditions a is equals to bq plus r, 0 less than equals to r less than b. This is the Euclid division lemma. So using that Euclid division lemma, today we solve the one problem. See now, the question is, use Euclid division lemma to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. So here let an odd positive integer. Here let an odd positive integers, because we are taking odd positive integer y means, say already in question, using Euclid division lemma to show that any positive odd integer. So here any positive odd integers. That's why we are taking a is odd positive integers. So let us now apply. Let us now apply Euclid division algorithm with a and b is equals to 6. Here condition, since 0 less than or less than 6. See here, let us now apply Euclid division algorithm with a and b is equals to 6. Since 0 less than equals to or less than 6. Why we take like this means, we know that what is Euclid division lemma? Condition a is equals to, since a is equals to bq plus r, condition is 0 less than or less than b. According to Euclid division lemma, a is equals to bq plus r, condition is 0 less than equals to or less than b. Means here we are taking any positive integer like a or positive integer like a. So b means here we are taking in question is what is there? Integers is the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, means 6q is the form. So b is 6q plus r means the reminders 1, 3, 5, whatever may be, that are the reminders. So here b value is between, here value is 6q plus 1, so that's why b value is 6. So r value, the remainder value is between 0 and 6. That's why we take this condition, possible reminders 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, because here condition is there, r value between 0 less than equals to or less than 6. So r value 0 and 6, in between less than 6. So 0 less than equals to r means 0, less than 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a can be, we can write 6q 6 cube plus 0, 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 4, 6 cube plus and 6 cube plus 5. 6 cube plus 0 means 6 cube, 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 4 and 6 cube plus 5. Here Q is quotient where Q is quotient. Here what is that? Q is value is there. Q value is quotient. Here already we know that Q is quotient means the value taking 0 means 6 cube plus 0, 1 means 6 cube plus 1 and 2 means 6 cube plus 2, 3 means 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 4 and 6 cube plus 5, where Q is a quotient. If suppose here in the question A is a odd positive integer, A is a odd positive integer, let A is an odd positive integer A cannot be 6 cube plus 2 and 6 cube or 6 cube plus 2 or 6 cube plus 4. See here, let A is an odd positive integer. A cannot be 6 cube or 6 cube plus 2 or 6 cube plus 4. First suppose I will explain. First suppose let Q is A is odd positive integer means first suppose I am taking Q is equals to 1. First suppose 6 cube means 6 into Q means value 1, 6. 6 cube plus 2 means 6 into 1 plus 2, 8. Next another one, skip 6 cube plus 4, 6 into 1 plus 4, so 10. See here the value. For example, let Q is equals to 1 we can take means what happened here. 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 4 means 6 into Q. Q means what value here? 1. 6 ones are 6. Now 6 cube plus 2 means 6 into Q means 1. 6 ones are 6 plus 2, 8. Next 6 cube plus 4 means Q value is 1. 6 ones are 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. The value see here 6, 8, 10 means even positive integers. 6, 8, 10 are the even positive integers. But A is an odd positive integer means A cannot be 6q or 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 4. It is right or wrong means we can check using this one. So 6, 8, 10 means 6q, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 4 are even positive integers. That's why A is odd positive integer means therefore any odd positive integer is in the form of 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. This is the final conclusion. So the problem is over. We saw that a is any positive odd integer means see the value that is in the form of any odd positive integer means in the form of 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. That cannot be, a cannot be 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 4. The problem solving is over. So like this, using this method, using Euclid division lemma, we can find out so many problems like this only. So this is the one of the model. So how to solve using Euclid division lemma. So like this problems practice. This is very important topic. This is one of the model for the main examination. So practice more. So for more videos, like this video and share this video and don't forget to subscribe.